Hey boys and girls, welcome to Lesson 9, Example 1 of Hands-on Equations Fractions Level 2. Our equation says 3/2 of y plus 10 equals 4, and we need to find the value of the unit fraction, 1/2 of y, and then find the value of the whole. So let's go ahead and get started. First, we're going to perform our original physical setup, which says 3/2 of y plus 10 equals 4. Okay? So that's the visual of what our equation should look like. Now we're going to go ahead and simplify this equation, okay? So there's a bunch of legal moves that we can use to help us simplify the equation and solve. The subtraction property of equality is probably the most common, and that's where we, whatever we take away from one side, we have to take away the same amount from the other side in order to leave the system in balance. Now, if we were to do that here, we could take away the 10, but then we don't have 10 to take away from here. And so that could get complicated. If you're comfortable with positive and negative numbers, it might not give you any trouble. But there's another way that we can visually solve this to simplify, and that would be adding instead of subtracting. So the addition property of equality says you can add the same amount to both sides and not change the value of the equation. So what I'm actually going to do right now is I'm going to add a negative 10 to both sides, okay? And what that does here is it creates a 0. 10 and a negative 10 creates a 0, so I can just take that off of my balance because it's nothing, right? And then here you'll see I have a negative 10 and a positive 4. And like we discussed before, this is like having negative 10 ones, and this is like having positive 4 ones. And so for every 1 and negative 1, it creates a 0, okay? And so what that's going to end up leaving me with is a negative 6, okay? So I'm going to take these off. I'm going to replace it with a negative 6, okay? And so if 3/2 are equal to negative 6, then how much is 1/2 going to be equal to? It's going to be equal to a negative 2, okay? And if 1/2 is equal to negative 2, well then how much is the whole going to be worth? It's going to be worth a negative 4, okay? And then we need to go back and we need to reset our equation so that we can check it. So we're going to go back to the 3/2 of y plus 10 equals 4, right? And we're going to substitute our new values for the fractional pieces. So we've got negative 2, a negative 4, and a negative 6, okay? And a positive 10. A positive 10 and a negative 6, that's this, right, is going to leave us with a positive 4. And so 4 equals 4, and that's a check. Look at the next equation together. 5/6 of y plus 2 equals a negative 13. We want to find the unit fraction, which is 1/6 of y, and then we want to find the whole, which is y. So we go ahead and perform our original physical setup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of y plus 2 equals negative 13. Being very careful to watch the integer values, positive and negative. It's very important now. Okay, and so again, we're going to simplify. And here we can simplify by adding. Again, addition property of equality says if I add the same amount to both sides, it doesn't affect the balance. So I can eliminate that positive 2 if I just put a negative 2 with it. If I put a negative 2 here, I have to put a negative 2 here. And then this creates a 0, and now I can take it away. Okay, and so I've got 5/6 of y is equal to a negative 15. And if 5/6 of y equals negative 15, well then how much is 1/6 of y?